Hi. In this video, we will create a contract template example using the Word add-on. Step 1. Prepare your contract Word document. Step 2. Click on Contracts on the home page to open Lexzur for Word add-on and select Variables. These variables represent the fields that will be completed by the user later on when filling out the questionnaire. Step 3. To add your variables, position the cursor in your document where you want the variable to be inserted. Then, from the Lexzur for Word add-on page, assign this variable a name and type, and press Insert Variable. The variable will be added to your document with special characters to be readable by the system. You can customize these characters from the App Variable option. All the variables can then be listed in the existing Variable tab, so you can choose to add them again within the document. Step 4. Once your document is prepared with all the variables, you can start constructing your questionnaire. Go back to the add-on main menu and choose Add Contract, then go to Add Contract Template. Begin by specifying the template name and contract type. The document you're generating will serve as your reference template. Each template can include multiple pages, groups, and variables. Begin by inputting the title of the first page and add a description if necessary. Next, select Group 1, assign it a title, and proceed to the Variables section. Here, you can start adding variables by clicking on the plus sign near to the group name. For each variable, provide its name, which should match the corresponding name in the document you're working on. The question part is a variable definition used to facilitate the filling out of the questionnaire. Variables within the template could be either a system variable, which is mapped to a field inside the system, or a document variable. In the latter case, you need to choose a field type, such as single text, date, list, etc. You can also add a variable description and specify whether it's required or not. Repeat this process depending on the number of pages in the contract and the quantity of input variables needed. Once completed, click on Save. A new questionnaire is now created in the system, and you can use it when adding a new contract from a template. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.